So let's move on to the mouth animation, and that's going to work in exactly the same way as the eyes, although syncing this with speech is going to be a little bit more challenging, so maybe we'll just gloss over that. Click on the mouth sprite here, click on the costumes, and you'll see that I've created a sprite and centered it. Let's click on here, you'll see I've centered it over the center of the whole background here for the sprite, and I've created different mouth gestures that makes it look like, and all I've done is a line. And so what we've got going on here is a mouth. So if we just click on code here and get rid of this one, and again I've click on show, so now we've got this going on. Let's click stop, and we want speak to happen. So again, I used a define block, I created a speak block, make sure I switch to costume 1, something similar to the I block here, and if costume name equals 7, then wait half a second to start again. This is just to go through the speech cycle, but you're going to want to get your consonants right, so you'll have to think about this a little bit more definitively, but it's the same thing. So again, let's just work how we build it up. Make sure we start with costume 1. We put a forever block in because we're always speaking, but you could do a repeat block if you wanted to, if you know what you've got going on. Next costume, so we could, it's a forever block. So once we've got that, we put next costume. We want to wait a period of time, and then again, like we did before with the eyes, if the costume name equals costume 7, get to the end of the line, wait a bit, and carry on. And so this is a bit clunky, but let's see how this works. So what's going to happen now is the arm, the eyes, and the mouth are all going to be animating according to their own programs. So let's click go. Now that mouth is moving way too quickly, so you can slow it down, and the eyes are going to keep blinking. That arm stop moving. So this is how you can animate in Scratch very easily.